In this tutorial, we will cover upper, lower, and proper functions in Excel. Please open file 08, upper, lower, and proper. The upper, lower, and proper text functions allows you to take a string of text from one cell and manipulate its capitalization in a separate cell. The upper function. The upper function changes the text to all uppercase letters. Click in cell B2. In column A, you'll see we have all the states. Usually, states are capitalized, but rather than having to retype all of this, we're going to use the upper function. Go up to your Formulas tab on your ribbon, and in the function library, look for the text group. Click on the text button to open that up, and look down for upper. Upper opens up the function arguments window. You'll see it's looking for text. And if you forget what it does, you'll see at the bottom it says text that is a text you want to convert to uppercase, either by a reference or text string. Go and click on cell A2, and you'll see the formula result in the lower left-hand corner. Click OK, and you'll see it changes the lowercase mn to uppercase. Put your pointer in the lower right-hand corner of B2 for the autofill, and if you would, drag that down to B6. As you can see, it recalculates each of our cells to the left and puts them in capital letters. If you're going to use this later on, please understand that these are currently using our text functions to organize information. You might want to keep in mind copying and saving your information to take it out of the formulas and put it into just your normal text. Look at cell B2 as it's selecting. You'll see in the formula bar it currently shows upper A2. If you want to have just MN in there capitalized, you'll need to go to the File tab. You'll need to go to the Home tab on your ribbon. Click on Copy or press Ctrl-C to copy those cells. Once they're copied, you can click on the Paste wording for the icon to the left of that and look for your different paste options. Under your paste values, click on Values, and you'll see that with B2 selected right now, up in the formula bar it shows you just MN as it replaces the formula with the actual results. If you click on the other cells, you'll see that those have changed as well. If you don't need the marquee going around your cells anymore, you can press Escape to remove that. Click in cell D2. In D2, you'll see we're going to cover the lower function. The lower function changes text to all lowercase letters. With D2 selected, go up to your Formulas tab on your ribbon again, click in the text group in the function library, and find lower. Click on lower, and this converts all of your text to lowercase. Click on cell C2, and you'll see in the lower left-hand corner it shows you our result. Click OK, and you'll see it's made all of our text lowercase. If you would, put your pointer on the autofill in the lower right-hand corner of cell D2, double-click on that cell, or double-click on the autofill, and you'll see it fills in all the rest of the information down the column. It goes down as far as it can and then stops. You can convert that into regular text instead of a formula, remember, by going to the Home tab, copying it, and then pasting the values. Click in cell F2. In F2, we're going to cover the proper function. The proper function capitalizes just the first letter in each word of a text string. Because the syntax of our text function is quite simple, you may find it easier to type it manually instead of using the function arguments window. So let's type it in manually. In cell F2, type in equal, type in PRO, and you'll see a listing of different functions that have PRO in them. Go down and find proper. You can either finish typing it and then type the open parenthesis, or just double click on proper. You'll see that it finishes proper and opens up your parenthesis. Click on cell E2, close your parenthesis, and on your formula bar, you can click the check mark or hit your enter key, and you'll see that changes it to Joel Nelson with just the J and the N capitalized. For F2, use your autofill, drag that down to F6, and you'll see that that sets up the rest of your text with the first letter of each word capitalized. Then, if you want to get rid of the formulas, remember, go to the Home tab, copy it. In the clipboard, click on the word Paste, and under Paste Values, click on Values. Click on cell F2, and you'll see up in the formula bar it's gotten rid of the formula and now just has the name there. And if you want to get rid of the marquee going around cells F2 to F6, just press your Escape key, and now you can continue working in the spreadsheet.